Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre car audio systems? Get ready to revolutionize your drive with the JBL Legend 707 in touchscreen multimedia, a game-changing in-dash receiver that's taking the world by storm. With the JBL Legend 700, you can ditch the cables and enjoy seamless smartphone integration, thanks to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for hands-free calling, music streaming, and navigation with just the sound of your voice. Imagine the feeling of smooth touchscreen navigation, with a 7-inch capacitive display that responds to your every touch, giving you easy access to music, navigation, and settings, all with the swipe of a finger. This powerhouse of a system also boasts versatile audio options, including Bluetooth 5.0, USB, auxiliary input, AM/FM, and DAB/DAB+ digital radio, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes in crystal clear quality, with the deep bass and clear highs that'll make you feel like you're right there in the recording studio. Thousands of satisfied customers have made the JBL Legend 700 their go-to choice, and it's easy to see why, with its powerful sound customization options, including a 16-band equalizer and dedicated subwoofer controls. You can tailor your audio experience to perfection, whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at your favorite spot. Whether you're commuting to work or road tripping with friends, the JBL Legend 700 is the perfect companion, delivering 50 watts x4 of maximum power output, making it capable of driving speakers and small subwoofers with ease, and with its expandability options, you can take your audio experience to the next level. So why settle for a mediocre car audio system when you can have it all with the JBL Legend 700? Upgrade your drive today and discover a whole new world of pure, unadulterated sound. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.